I was flying my Phantom 4 Pro, and as you can see, the horizon was completely skew, and I couldn't figure out why this was because I never usually have problems with my Phantom 4 Pro. What I realized was when I started the drone, I started it on a grass patch, and obviously when the gimbal calibrated upon startup, it was touching the grass, and therefore once it was calibrated, the gimbal was skew. As you can see, I'm flying here and the gimbal is very, very skew. So what I did was I flew back towards myself and I did a hand catch, and I put the drone on the ground, and then I did a quick gimbal calibration. Making sure that I placed it on a level surface, and I also used the grass as my horizon. I'm about to start the gimbal calibration. Once the gimbal was calibrated, I took her for a flight, and you'll see now that the horizon is nice and straight. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel out a lot.